So I'm just going to put a chunk, that's a pretty big chunk, but in
Whoa,
some
whoa,
room
what's going
temperature
on?
water. Okay, it's subliming, which means it's turning into a gas. Now, if we're talking about the subliming temperature is negative 109.3 degrees Fahrenheit, obviously room temperature or the water temperature is going to be way above that, so it immediately turns into a gas. Now, the reason we see it, we don't usually see carbon dioxide gas down. It's more dense than air, which most gases are less dense. Helium or hydrogen, you put them in a balloon, they lift the balloon. We put this in a balloon, the balloon is going to go down. Okay, so it's more dense than air, so we can pour it. If I'd had a candle out here, I could pour it on the candle if it was lit, and it would go out. That's why we can use carbon dioxide in fire extinguishers. It'll smother the flame. It takes the oxygen away. Some fire extinguishers, there's different kinds, but yeah. Okay.
You want to make our own?
So I'm gonna let you guys. Yeah, you can start passing that around and feel that it's getting pretty cold on the bottom. Does anyone have a key that we could use here?
Jackson Brim probably does.
You'll notice, see how that slides around so easily? Okay, why does that slide around so easily? Does anyone know?
Because the vapor.
Okay, we have gas, a layer of gas, and that layer of gas makes less friction. Okay, so gentlemen, you're gonna have to be quiet to hear this. Okay, why is it doing that? Okay.
Man, what happens if I touch this smoke?
Nothing.
Nothing?
No, it's just what's in the air.
I'm just kidding.
All right, sometimes I can get this to stick in there. It doesn't. The quarter works
It's
better.
releasing energy. Is that so?
It does have to do with energy. As it turns from a solid to a gas, the particles move faster as it becomes a gas. And so those particles that are at the surface are moving fast. When I put a key there, it transfers that energy into the metal. And what makes sound?
Metal.
Vibrations.
Vibrations, okay. Metal, and the reason it works better with metal is those are closely packed and can vibrate really well. So we get the vibrations and then we get the sound coming from the metal. Okay, I'm going to put some warm water in this. So this is just water again, but it's
Could you
been
drink
warmed
this
up.
water? That'd be okay.
Find out.
It's probably colder than.
Is that soapy water?
Well, there was soap in the
Where is the water
graduated
coming out of
cylinder.
right now? Oh.
Yeah, there's the soap. There was soap in the graduated cylinder yet from last hour, so that's why we're getting a few bubbles. I'm going to put a lot more soap in.
Ma'am, what temperature is that water at?
Well, it was getting close to boiling, so close to 100 Fahrenheit or 212. I mean, I'm sorry, 100
I'll buy
solder.
dry ice this weekend.
Okay.
We can
What does the
experiment.
soap do for it?
It's only 10
Okay, you're
bucks.
going to see.
It's only $10. Yeah,
Don't you have to be 18 to buy it?
I'm 18. But I'm charging 20.
Whoa.
Okay, so we get soap bubbles, and then the soap bubbles fill with the carbon dioxide gas. So you can see when I pop, I'm getting the carbon dioxide gas out.
cool.
Now it's really hot because the water was close to boiling, but once here in a little bit it'll cool off, and I'll let you guys start popping the bubbles.
Now it's gonna make a mess, man.
No, it won't make a mess
It won't though.
because what's in the bubbles?
What's in the bubble? There you go.
Carbon dioxide gas,
Carbon
which
dioxide.
isn't going to be a liquid, right? So it looks like, oh, that's going to overflow. We're going to have this big wet mess. We won't. All
What if you
right?
drop another piece of...
Okay. So, and when you do, you can try to make, it's pretty hot yet. You can try to make some big bubbles. Sometimes we can get, okay, or see how tall of a tower you make. Okay, if you're careful, if you don't hold your hand there too long, it's cooling off now. You can come over and try it. You guys, some of you can come around too, or I can, here, I'll push it so you can.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. Let me move this out of the way.
She's hot. She's hot. Hey, let me get in there. Dude,
Should've let
you
it
get in
fall.
there?
That's what I
Let's
was
get in
trying
there.
to do,
Shoot.
bro. You gotta let
Let's
it
get in there.
fall.
Oh, yeah.
You're getting up there.
Move. Now let it fall. Oh, no.
That's a fat tower.
Oh!
I'm still getting wet over here.
Yeah.
Alright, watch out, boys.
Yeah, it's not. It's not.
Throw it.
See?
Give me. I killed it. I'm sorry.
There's a lot of stuff
It was dangerous.
and it's cold.
No.
carbon dioxide.
Where's Jack?
Give me payback for this, man.
Love to check these now.
Very enjoyable.
And next we will launch a bunch of carbon dioxide.
It-
We freeze a rose and shatter it, man. I'm trying to do some crazy
No, not
stuff.
with this.
Yeah, that would be liquid nitrogen.
Liquid nitrogen.
Okay,
Get that
It
stuff?
pleases the simplest mind.
Where do we buy liquid nitrogen?
okay.
Oh, I know what you want to do.
Now, it takes me a few tries usually, but I'm gonna try to get a film of soap over the top of the bowl. Oh, let me turn it around, it works better.
Whoa. That's pretty cool. This will be the one, man. I believe in you.
There you go. Oh, it's been taking me longer today.
That's it, there it is. That's the one, man.
Is it recording now?
This thing's still cheap.
Make sure you get this. That's the good part.
Still what?
Chiefs more than Bolton.
What? She's more than Thibodeau.
That is cool.
There it is. Oh. You ruined it. You jinxed it.
That would work, I guess. I've always just seen it done with just a little strip, so. Well, it is not
Man.
cooperating today.
We can't drink this?
No,
What's wrong? Is it okay
no,
to
it
drink?
won't, it won't.
If there
It's
was-
just water.
We just don't know what's
I
been
mean, but I don't know what's been in that beaker. So you don't want to drink it about what it's going to do
It's gonna
when
pop.
when it pops. Don't say anything, just think about what's going to happen when it pops, and I'll pop it.
Let it go. No.
Ma'am.
It doesn't pop if you have soap underwater.
Looks like Jeffrey's hairline.
How does that make any sense, you?
Bro, look.
Don't talk to Dio like that.
Yeah, seriously.
Okay,
Yeah.
Dio, me and Dio
You're gonna
both
miss
has
it,
the
guys.
eyes.
Looks like the jellyfish off his SpongeBob.
Is it?
Is he gonna float?
Yeah, it's gonna float. No, what?
Smelter knows what's gonna happen. What's gonna happen, Smelter?
I can't say. I don't want to ruin the surprise.
Okay, well guess what? I hate surprises.
Just watch and
I know
see.
you ruined the little people for me.
I remember that. It was awful. I hated Jeff.
I'll tell you guys what happened.
Wait, is that the little... What happened?
Last time.
Say, let's do a marker in.
What's wrong with yourself? Does it though? Bleach.
Not really.
I think I have a marble in my pocket.
Looks like a
I
true
do.
wallpaper.
That you threw at me?
Yeah. Okay, so it went down.